Every great shot starts with a decision. We have to point the camera, how to frame the subject, how much light, horizon level, motion stable. And for most filmmakers, beginners, students, freelancers, content creators, those decisions get judged hours later in editing room when it's already too late to fix them. I'm Nelitha Vindinu and I built FrameTalk AI to solve them. Here's the problem in one sentence. Beginner videographers discover their worst mistake during editing, not during the shoot. Tilted horizon, blown out exposure, shaky footage, subject in the wrong spot. These are the main errors, but they destroy the professional quality of a video. And without a trained eye on set, nobody catches them. That's why I built it. This is FrameTalk Studio, a web-based AI platform built for filmmakers, videographers, and content creators who take their craft serious. You came here. You drag and drop your video clip and hit analyze my video. In under few seconds, you get this a full shot quality report scored from 0 to 100. Exposure, composition, horizon, contrast, sharpness, stability, lighting. Each one scored, each one explained, each one with specific actionable suggestion. This is cinematography feedback that actually tells you what to fix and how. This is the real analysis. The AI code, soft focus, significant exposure issues, and noticeable camera shake. Then it told user exactly what to do. Use manual focus, add the backlight, mount a stabilizer. That's not a generic feedback. That's a professional cinematographer in your browser. And it doesn't stop at one click. Every video you upload gets tracked. You can see your score history, average, your best and lowest shots. You can see your most common filming style. And the AI tells you exactly which metric to fix first to level up fastest. This is how you build a filmmaker over time, not just give them a one-time result. The AI behind this runs four core technologies: computer vision for framing and his decision, neural networks trained on professional cinematic footage, and machine learning scoring module calibrated to real cinematography standard, and image processing for exposure and lighting analysis. 7 quality checks, 3 ml movement under few seconds. Right now, the video analyzer is live on AI Studio.frametalk.online. 3 more tools are color grader, audio sync, and script shortlist. This is growing suite of AI tools built around one idea. Every creator deserves feedback that thinks like a filmmaker. But this is just phase 1. Phase 2. Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve plugins. FrameTalk AI is living directly inside the tools professional editors already use. No uploading, no switching tabs. Short feedback appears right in your timeline as you edit. Phase 3. Smartphone integration. Every filmmaker starts with a phone. FrameTalk runs in real time as you shoot, flagging bad exposure, unstable framing, and poor lighting before you stop recording. Phase 4. Production camera firmware. Built directly into professional cinema cameras and AI Copilot concept, giving the cinematographer live quality data through the viewfinder on RED and Sony effects per blackness. From a film student, phone to Hollywood set the same intelligence everywhere the camera goes. FrameTalk AI is that feedback. Thank you.